We have a great challenge ahead of us. In order to provide the best medical care in the next decade or next 2 decades, we have to think and operate different to lower the barriers, the healthcare world, the industries, the business world, the academia, and the government. Only by joining minds and hearts and working together, we can face that challenge.
At Bar-Ilan, our willingness to cross-discipline creates new ways of thinking about and doing science. Our leading minds in biomedicine, engineering, material science, and AI are constantly collaborating internally and externally to create innovative health tech.
My vision is to harness excellent technologies to visionary ideas, which will improve the lives of my city's residents.